Good morning everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's Couponer's Guide to Gifting, I have something really special because I'm sharing something that one of you guys sent and what one of you guys made. So I opened my platform up to anyone who wanted to send over anything for me to feature in this gifting series. So if you run a small business, if you're like a consultant to like Mary Kay or Young Living or whatever it was, I gave you guys the platform to go ahead and share what you guys make, what you guys do. So that's what I'm doing in today's video. So I'm going to be featuring some metal art from Knob Creek Metal Arts. So I have all of their information linked below, and there is a code thank you 10 that's going to get you 10% off on your order, and this code is valid through the end of the year. So they make metal signage and other metal decor. So I'm gonna have everything listed below. So I'm just gonna start taking some things out. So the first thing that was sent to me is a California sign, and this is just amazing. And I love the colors, the red and the green. And I love the detail of the Capitol being up here by Sacramento. I thought that that was really fun and really like pinpointed to detail in the state of California, but this is absolutely stunning. And like metal like this goes really well with my house because I have that like farmhouse feel going on. So this is gonna fit in with my decor perfectly. So then the next thing that they sent over are some bookends, and they are Lion King bookends. Look at how amazing this is, you guys. It's just beautiful. Look at this. So we have Simba right here, and then we have Mufasa right here. So these are bookends. So if you know someone in your life that is a Disney fan and you want to give them like a more unique gift and a handmade gift, this is absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship on these pieces are amazing. There are no like sharp edges, nothing that's going to cut you or anything like that. Nothing is like smeared or anything. So fantastic. So then the next thing we have is this little barbecue ring right here. And what I'm thinking this could be used for is to hang like your barbecue accessories. So your tongs, your flipper, anything else that you would need to use in your barbecuing, this would be absolutely perfect. So I know someone who is a big barbecue person, so that's going to be going straight to them for Christmas. So this is awesome in a way that you can really personalize their gift. This next piece is actually going to my mother-in-law because my mother-in-law, she loves the outdoors. She loves insects. Well, only certain insects and like spiders she'll deal with. There are some insects that she just doesn't put up with. But look at this guy right here. It is a praying mantis keyring. How stinking cute is this? Like this is so cool. And this would be really cool in like a little boy's room too. But yeah, this is a really fun spin on keyring. So I absolutely love that. And then the last one is a wine key ring holder. So this is awesome too. So if you know someone who is a wine lover, I know a wine lover, so I'm going to be finding a home for this guy as well. But I just think that this is really fun and a way to really personalize someone's interests, someone's hobbies. They have so many different things, you guys. So also in their bookend collection, they have dinosaurs, they have a giraffe, they have a dinosaur, they have a bicycle. Here's a look at some of their other bookends they have. And then their key rings, they have one for running and gymnastics. You can hold like your medals. They have a little doggy for like dog leashes. You can get your actual name, which is cool. They have a wine holder. There's so many different things that this company does. So I'm going to leave all of their information linked below to their website as well as their promo code to take 10% off. So it's thank you 10. And this is Knob Creek Metal Art, and they run out of Brooks, Kentucky. So I think that this is such a fun gift, and I always love supporting small business. My husband is a small business owner, and small business is what provides for our family. So I am always one to opt to small business. So thank you so much to Knob Creek Metal Arts for sending this stuff over to me. Your pieces are beautiful, and I cannot wait to gift these to family and friends. this holiday season. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting. I want to know what your favorite Disney movie is. Now that I have The Lion King stuck in my head, I want to know what your favorite Disney movie is. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye, guys.